wake up every morning at 5 a.m. I prepare breakfast and also lunch that I will take to the office. I commute to work every day by motorcycle. I work as an designer interior in a design company. I usually start to design at 9 p.m. after reading some emails I get. As a designer, every day I always design to the layout and design of a room to make it functional, safe, and aesthetically. At lunchtime, I go to the cafeteria to have lunch with my office friends and pray together. I have to finish my design work before work before 4:30 p.m. Sometimes I go home at 5 p.m. But if I have an urgent meeting with a client, I usually go home at 7 p.m. After work, I clean up, have dinner with my family, and rest.